Okay, a child learns in two ways in the sensory motor stage. All new information that the child receives. Now remember, this is very, very early education. Okay, the child is at home, the child is still small, and he still needs to learn. The first thing that happens is assimilation. What this simply means that new ideas have to be incorporated in an existing schema or concept, which means it has to fit in something that already exists. It must be assimilated. The new idea must be assimilated. For example, you show a tennis ball to the child and you say, this is a ball. For a child, the tennis ball is the ball. It is round, it's like a sphere, it's generally yellow or green, it's a slightly furry. The child connects this object with ball. That is assimilation. So now, round things, all round things, the child is going to assume to be a ball. Whether the round thing is plastic or made of glass, doesn't matter what size it is assimilated as a ball. That is one way of learning. The other way is accommodation. When the child has to adapt an old schema or concept or develop something brand new for a new schema and for interacting with it. So now a new concept comes in and the child either has to make some changes in the existing schema or create a new schema or a new concept for that thing, brand new for the first time. That is accommodation. The child has to make room to accommodate the new idea. Unlike assimilation, it is not going to neatly fit into its place. Something will need to be modified. When a child adapts his/her existing ideas to fit new understandings, as the child grows, new understandings will bring about adaptations in how the child thinks, how the child perceives, what perspectives the child has on a particular thing. For example, all these different things are balls, and the child has to accommodate in many ways. Number one is the size. All these balls are not the same size. The tennis ball was round and small. Two, shape. All these balls are not shaped. The ball on the top right is really slightly oval. It's an American football ball. The others are different shapes, they are different textures, they are different colors, they are different sizes, they are different materials. All these things now the child has to accommodate for, because all these things are classified as balls by people. So, if the child can make these varying accommodations to accommodate new things as they come about, the child is learning. And assimilation and accommodation both happen during the sensory motor stage, the early years of learning. The child must have these concepts clearly identified so that later when he learns additional stuff, it will either fit in like a piece in a jigsaw puzzle and it will be assimilated, or the child will have the capability and capacity to modify something, to change something so that the new information will fit in. In accommodation, the child is actually expanding his definition of that particular thing. In assimilation, the ball was round, small, furry, yellow or green. In accommodation, the ball can be different sizes, can be different materials, can be different shapes, can be different colors, and so the child begins to learn that accommodation must be done in order for him to understand that all these objects are balls. So, assimilation plus accommodation, filing information in an existing schema and changing schemata to fit new information will result in learning. Both those things happen. Sometimes assimilation happens, sometimes accommodation happens, but those two things happen so that learning takes place.